हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे. Beautiful chapter is coming. Nandotsavam. Nandastvatmaja utpanne jataklado mahamanaha. Who is happy in this setting? Morning, it is now morning, no? Kamsa is finished that night. Tasyam Ratriam Viditayam. It's morning. Morning, everybody has woken up in Gokula. Child is born. Beautiful boy child is born. Everybody is so delighted because Nandagopala did not expect at this age he is going to have a baby. So delighted. Everybody is happy. Nandastvatmaja utpanne jata klado mahayashaha. Mahayashaha. So happy. Nandotsavam chapter. Yaar arambikira? Wedding anniversary. Might as well celebrate Nandotsavam. You guys can read. Gopal, Deepa.
श्रीसुतोवाच नन्दस्त्वमात्मजोत्पन्ने जातह्लादो महात्मनाः आहूय विप्रान् वेदज्ञान् स्नातः सुचिलालङ्कृतः
वाचयित्वा स्वस्त्ययनं जातकर्मात्मजस्य वै कारयामास विधिवत् पितृदेवार्चनं तथा
धेनूनां नियते प्रादात् विप्रेभ्यः समलङ्कृते
तिलाद्रीन् सप्तरत्नौघ शातकौ कौम्भाम्बरावृतान्
कालेन स्नानशौचाभ्यां संस्कारैस्तपसेज्यया
शुध्यन्ति दानैः सन्तुष्ट्या द्रव्याण्यात्मात्मविद्यया
सौमङ्गल्यगिरो विप्राः सूतमागधवन्दिनः
गायकाश्च जगुर्नेदुः भैर्यो दुन्दुभयो मुहुः
व्रजः संवृष्टसंसिक्तद्वाराजिरगृहान्तरः
चित्रध्वजपताकास्रक् चैलापल्लवतोरणैः
गावो वृषावत्सतरा हरिद्रा तैलरूषिताः
विचित्रधातो बर्हस्र स्रग्वस्त्राकाञ्चनमालिनः
महार्हवस्त्राभरण कञ्चुकोष्णीशभूषिताः
गोपासमाययुराजन् नानोपायनपाणयः
गोप्यश्चाकर्ण्यमुदिता यशोदाया सुतोद्भवम्
आत्मानं भूषयाञ्चक्रुः वस्त्राकल्पाञ्जनादिभिः
नवकुङ्कुमकिञ्चल्कमुखपङ्कजभूतयः
बलिभिस्त्वरितं जग्मुः पृथक् श्रोण्यश्च लकुचाः
गोप्यः समृष्टमणिकुण्डलनिष्ककण्ठ्य चित्राम्बरापतिशिखाच्युतमाल्यवर्षाः
नन्दालयं सवलया व्रजतीवि रेजुः व्यालोलकुण्डलपयोधरहारशोभा
सा आशिष प्रयुञ्जानाश्चिरं पाहीति बाल ता आशिषः प्रयुञ्जान आश्चिरं पाहीति बालके. Sorry, I did not get it.
ता आशिष प्रयुञ्जानाः चिरं पाहीति बालके. चिरं पाहि. May you live long and prosper. அப்படிங்கறா.
Okay.
चिरं पाहीति बालके. படி இன்னொரு தடவை படி. ता आशिष
प्रयुञ्जानाश्चिरं पाहीति बालके.
हरिद्राचूर्णतैलाद्भिः सिञ्चन्त्यो जनमुज्जगुः
अवाद्यन्तविचित्राणि वादित्राणि महोत्सवे.
कृष्णे विश्वेश्वरेणन्ते नन्दस्य व्रजमागते
गोपाः परस्परं हृष्टा दधिक्षीरधृताम्बुभिः
आसिञ्चन्तो विलम्बन्तो नवनीतैश्च चिक्षुपुः
नन्दो महामनास्तेभ्यो वासो अलङ्कारगोधनम्
सूतमागतवन्देभ्यो येन्ये विद्योपजीविनः
तैस्तैकामैरदीनात्मा यथोचितमपूजयत्
विष्णोराराधनार्थाय स्वपुत्रस्योदयाय च
रोहिणी च महाभागा नन्दगोपाभिनन्दिता
व्यचरद्दिव्यवासस्रत् कण्ठाभरणभूषिता
तत आरभ्य नन्दस्य व्रजः सर्वसमृद्धिमान्
हरेर्निवासात्मगुणैः रमा क्रीडामभून्नृप
Radhe
गोप
Krishna.
राधे
Beautiful.
कृष्ण
Very good. हरेर्निवासात्मगुणैः रमाक्रीडमभून्नृप. Ramakrīdanabhunrupa. From the day of Nandotsavam, all kinds of Lakshmis are dancing with joy in Nanda Gokula. Rama Kridan Abhunrupa. That's why later the gopis are going to say, Jayatithedikam Janmana Prajaha Shrayata Indira Shashvat. Because of this shloka, they are going to refer to that in Gopika Gita. Rama Kridanabhunrupa Harer Nivasatmagunaihi. Visarga Kshaya Ravaradhanala. Harer Nivasatmagunai Rama Kridamabhunrupa. नन्दस्त्वात्मज उत्पन्ने जाताक्लादो महामनाः आहूय विप्रान् वेदज्ञान् स्नातः सुचिरलङ्कृतः. Beautiful celebrations. So everybody, the news has spread all over. Everybody is delighted. All the Brahmanas have arrived in Nanda's house. Nanda is now beautifully dressed. He is welcoming all of them. All of them are using so many swasti vachanam. Vachayitva swastyenam
जातकर्मात्मजस्य वै
कारयामास vidhivate pitrudevarchanam tata. Things that you have to do to honor the forefathers in your family when a new child is born. All that is being done. Devarchanam, all the worship of the home deities, all that is being done. Denunam niyute pradate
समलंकृते तिलाद्रीन् सप्तरत्नौघ
Shatakam Bhambaravritan. There, Vasudeva only could do Godhanam in his mind. Here, Nandagopa has donating cows to all the people who needs it. Viprebhya Samalankrite. The cows are beautifully decorated with golden caps on their bodies, beautiful ornaments. Tiladrine. Tiladanam pannuva, kuழந்தை பிறந்தா திலதானம் பண்றார். காலேன ஸ்நான சௌச்சாபியாம் தபசேஜயா
शुद्ध्यन्ति दानैः सन्तुष्ट्या द्रव्याण्यात्मात्मविद्यया.
Samskaram, samskaraihi. Samskara is very important. That's what decides what happens in our life. No, 40 samskaras. Right from Garbhadanam to Antyeshti, there are 40 samskaras prescribed. So those samskaras elevate us. Just like some things, some dirt is removed and some cleanliness is improved kalena with time. Rainy season, the water is muddy. Sharat Ritu comes, the waters become clear. Kalena. So that ascension is there. The body is not clean, then you do a snana. Snana sauchabhyam. Then the body becomes clean, right? Praksha, vastradi. Then the clothes, they get cleaned because you wash them. The dhanehi, all the things that you have earned, you donate a portion of that to charity that blesses the things that you have earned. Dravyani. Atma Vidyaya. The self gets elevated, loses the kalmasha. What is the kalmasha? Identification with the body and the indriyas and the manas and the ahankara. That is removed by Atma Vidya. In the middle of the celebrations, Shukabrahmam is still in that state. He is telling us how ascension happens, how dirt gets removed, how things become more holy and more sacred. Saumangalya Giro Vipraha Sutamagada Vandinaha Gayakascha Jagur Nedu.
गायकाश्च जगुर्नेदुः भेर्यो दुन्दुभयो मुहुः व्रजः संमृष्ट संसिक्त द्वाराजिरगृहान्तरः चित्रध्वज
Chaila-pallava-toranaihi. Every house has decorated. Torana, everybody wearing beautiful clothes, beautiful ornaments. Vrajaha, samrishta, samsikta. Anandoyo, nandagrihe. That ananda, because it is right there, that waves of Ananda is going all over. All over. Therefore, they are now polishing their cows and applying turmeric and applying chandana and applying oil. Gavo vrushavatsadara vichitra dhatu barhasrak vastra kanchana malinaka. Maharha vastravarana kanchugoshni shabhushitaha. Everybody is wearing new clothes, new ornaments. Ushnisha. All the people are wearing special turbans. Special turban to denote some special occasion, special festival. So Ushnisha. Ushnisha bhushitaha gopaha. All the gopas rushed to meet their king. Samayayu Rajan. Which king? Nandagopa is king, but there is a king already there now. They are rushing to see this king. Nano Payana Panaya. They have brought whatever they could bring. Some people are bringing fruits, some people are bringing ornaments, some people are bringing milk, some people are bringing yogurt, some people are bringing butter. Whatever they can bring, that is their offering. Nano Panaya Panaya Gopya. All the gopis. As happy as the gopas, as the men are, the women are equally happy, if not more. Bhushayan Chakruhu. Bhushayan Chakruhu. They are decorating themselves absolutely wonderfully. Vastragalpanjanadibihi Nava King Kunkuma Kinjalka Mukha Pankaja Bhutaya Balibihi Balibistu Aritham Balibihi Twaritam Jagmuhu Prutrushroni Achalat Kuchaha. Beautiful shloka coming. Opyasumrishta
Kundala Nishkakanthya
Chitrambara Patishika Chutamalya Varshaha Nandalayam Savalaya Vrajatai Virejuhu Vyalola Kundala Payodara Harashobhaha. Kal Thangale, they are running to meet this new child. They don't know even why there is so much attraction. They are rushing. And here in Bombay, long ago, there was one Gujarati saint called Dongre Maharaj. And once Premi Anna met Dongre Maharaj. And they were talking about this shloka. Which shloka? Chitrambara Pati Shikha Chuta Malyavar. Chuta means it fell down. What fell down? These gopis had placed a lot of beautiful flowers on their hair. Okay. All those flowers fell down. Why the flowers are falling down? Chuta. Achutava, Chutava. Chuta means fall down. Achuta means never falling down. So is it Achuta or Chuta? Chuta Malyavar. It's falling down. Why? Because the flowers are saying, you gopis are going to be considered the best of these Krishna's devotees. So instead of staying on your head, we would rather touch your feet. So all of them are falling down. Vichitrambaraha Pati Shikachyutamalya Varsha Nandalayam Sabalaya. When they are running, their valay is sounding because they are running so fast. Vyalola Kundala Payodara Harashobha. They are wearing garlands. And those garlands are looking beautiful. Ta Asishaha Prayunjanaha. All the people who have come, all the gopas, all the gopis, all the brahmanas, everybody is offering their blessings to the newborn. Both ways, huh? Chirampahi. Normally you say Chiranjeevi Bhava. That is the blessing the elders will offer to the child, correct? Live for a long time. Here they are saying Chirampahi. Protect us for a long time. They are offering Ashirvada, but their Ashirvada is asking this child to protect them for a long time. What a beautiful thing. Chirampahi Tibalake. And they're so happy. Holy festival Madri. This time with water that has Haridra Churna. They have got turmeric, chandana, all beautiful fragrant substances are being splashed on each other. Some people are splashing other things. Milk, yogurt, butter, dadi, kshira, trithambuvihi, asinchanto vilimpanto. Nando Mahamanaha. Nanda's heart is at such an elevated position. He is giving. Doesn't know how to keep anything. He is just giving. Vaso, Alankara, Godanam, Suta, Magada, Vadinyo, Ye, Anye, Vidyopajivina. Whoever is there. Everybody is getting gifts to celebrate the birth of this boy. Taistaihi, Kamaihi, Adhinatma. Different people are being honored depending on what they have done. Yatha Uchitam Apujayat is worshipping everybody who has come to seek this Krishna. Rohini cha Mahabhaga. Rohini Devi is there, no? Normally, she would be very sad because her husband is not there, no? Vasudeva's wife, Rohini. So Vasudeva is there. Separation. Should have been sad. But all that sadness is gone because this child is born and because Nanda Gopa Abhinandita. Nanda Gopa Abhinandita. Therefore, she is equally excited, equally joining Yashoda and Nanda Baba in distributing all these gifts. Divya, Vasa, Srake, Kantha, Varana Bhushita. She is wearing beautiful clothes. She is wearing beautiful ornaments, welcoming all the people, giving them all these gifts. From that day onwards, Tata Arabhya. From that day onwards, Tata Arabhya Nandasya Vrajaha. There may be many Vrajas, but this particular Vraja, Sarva Samriddhiman. Whatever Samriddhi you can think of, all those Samriddhis are plentifully available there because Rama Kridan Abhunripa. People who read Bhagavatam, they will experience this in their lives. Their lives will be full of Samriddhi. Sarva Samriddhimane. Hare Nivasatma Gunaihi Rama Kridan Abhunripa.